Welcome. What's going on? I'm sorry, I found this sound. It was super funny. Anyway, Elsie, hey there. Good morning. All right. Let's start this. So, how much time do we have? Almost 1 minute to the market open. And we went down to the new day opening gap here. Repriced what we could. And what else? That's it so far. I would still like to see this level being taken out up there at the 860s. So I'm going to be watching for that. I'm kind of curious if it's going to go for it. So let's see. Let's see how's it going to go. So I'd like to stay bullish after this sweep, but we'll see. Anyway, market is about to open in 20 seconds. Get prepared, everybody. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The market is open officially. All right. All right. Nothing special. I'm going down to the 1 minute. All right, so far nothing super special. It might go down to take out the 710. For me, it seems like now. It's 710, which is a nice swing low down there. Not sure if it wants it. There's a fair value gap below that level. So we'll see. I guess. Could go. But anyway. If there is a sell-off happening here. If not, then obviously we're just gonna wait for the next move. All right, let's see. It's holding. I feel like it might want to turn bullish here, but the 5 minute, yeah, so the 5 minute swept lower. I'm not sure if it still wants to go lower. But anyway. Hey Zoltan, Akram, what's up? Good morning, Muhammad. Good, glad to be back here. I'm happy to see you back. Good to see you, man. I'm watching the chart, trying to figure out if this one wants to go somewhere. It seems like just sideways. So there was a fair value gap down at, and there's a low at 7.0. Let me check. 709.25. Not sure if it wants to go there, but we'll do a check on it. If this one wants to sell off or not. Who knows, you know, if it wants to do that. If not, I'm gonna be ready for a possible reversal here. Let's see. What are you guys up to? Let me know. Been very busy. Oh, bravo. Hey there, Bravo 6. Good morning. All right, so far, nothing significant. The only level is here that I think it could sweep. A sell side liquidity. Let me put a line there. 709 to be exact. Let's see if it wants it or not. If not, then obviously it's a no-go. If yes, then maybe it will go. We don't know. Almost took it out. There's a fair value gap below that level. Not sure if it's a significant level or not. But if it turns around, we could see a nice bounce from here. Anyway, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what it wants. If this is looking for liquidity, it should take it, but not sure. Come on, just take it. Did it take it? I think it did. What was the low here? Maybe the NQ, the mini took it. The low here was 709.25, and this low here was 0.75. So one more spike and it's done. Okay, it's done. So there we had it. Beautiful. Hey, real folks, I just saw your email. Let me check it. I haven't checked it. Sell stop at short from open price, opening range, green. Bullish trap. Gonna be waiting for still for some kind of a reversal. But if I look at the 1 hour, the next available fair value gap would be down at 636 if this one is a sell-off. And what I would say, okay, let's go with 642. Yeah, there's a 15-minute level right there. Otherwise, not too much. I'm gonna put a marker right here. Okay, as a 15-minute BC. But I think it might go through. Yeah, it's going through. Look at that. Below the 700. Sweep and a tap. Add the order block and close, respecting the imbalance. Could happen. I can imagine that. Along with the call out on them in the market. Oh, really? No secret trades from me. I have a very repeatable process. Let me check it. I saw a few incoming emails. I saw your name. You sent me something. Let me check. Oh yeah, I see it. Wow. Very nice. There was a Bitcoin trade there, or what? What was it? Oh, I see. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful trade, real folks. Nice call there. From 801 to 768. That's nice. My targeted downside ES 59.15. I was looking at ES, but yeah, nice drop here. I would go 59.12 even. And this one looks like it still wants to go. No stopping. Gold spiking higher. Gold spiking higher. I'm watching the 1 minute again here. There's a gap here, which is the 9:30 5-minute gap. And the first fair value gap after the open will be this one, which we can utilize maybe in the future. Who knows? All right, we're going down. Still just going down. There's one more level, the 642. I think it wants it. Yeah, looks like. If I held the next candle, it would have been full TP, but I get. I see. Don't catch your falling knife. Yeah, gotta be careful. The more I'm watching that 15-minute chart, the more I'm starting to think that it wants to take out the 642 level. That's what I think, but let's just wait a little bit here. No, that's not it. Maybe 648. You never know. You never know. And it should take it. It took it, right? Yeah, it did. Nice. Beautiful. So from this moment on, nobody knows what's going to happen. Yes, target met. Nice. Let's go, Zoltan. Oh, bravo. Thank you for dropping in, and thank you, and hope to see you next time too. Have a good one. I would say ES can go down to 12.25 and pull down NQ. Let me check gold. Gold is edging higher still. I really thought that we're gonna go and you know, take out those swing highs up there. I like to see this go into this fair value gap on the 1 hour. Look at this. At 636. I think that would be the ultimate target for this. So yeah. I mean sorry. Yeah. Does anyone know why Tradeify has different prices? Because I have no idea. All right, we have a bounce here. Dun, 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 dun. What is going on here?
Order filled.
Oh my god. I entered an order here. I'm just testing Tradeify if it's working or not. So the ultimate target would be let me look at Quant Hour here. Down at 36, maybe. I don't know how high can it get. But you know, let's see. I don't know what I just did. But anyway. Testing Tradeify web, but I mean Tradeaway web browser, but it's a little bit sketchy for me. No, it's okay. I don't know why it was. Fresh Delgado, what's up? I'm not sure what the plan would be right now. Honestly, I'd like to see this maybe go back to, well, going back to the 930 opening gap maybe. How far is that? Not too far. 65, up to the 700s maybe. I'd like to see that. I'd like to see that actually. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Might want to go for another round down there at the 30s. Let's see if it does. How can I turn off the sounds here? All right, should be okay now. What's it gonna be? I'm just curious. Is this gonna return to that 930 gap higher? Or is this it? I'm still watching that 36 level, but we have the gap from the open up there at the 700s. So I'm still not sure. Still not sure if it wants to take it. Oh, it spiked down. All right. Interesting. Spiked down. One more push down before we can retrace. Yeah, maybe. And look at that, you know, wick down into the 1 hour gap. And this is the area where I would really like to see a possible reversal. So I'm going to focus on this area right now. No reversal yet. Anyway. I'm gonna keep an eye on for that level right there. The first gap since the open. I'm gonna be checking that level. Just in case it would go there. Yeah, it's a bit of a dirty move here. But we come prepared. And we are definitely going to keep an eye out for that. For now, this is just a waiting game. Again, I'm looking for a price to break the 668 if it's possible. Yeah, it's a crazy market today. Absolutely, I agree. 100%. Agree with you there. As of now, I'm sure I want to see this go up to the 70s. Accumulation. So nice move is coming. Yeah, it could be a continuation on the sell-off. Let me check the 1 hour mid-level here of this gap. All right, let's check it out real quick. I totally forgot to put it on. So that's the mid-level of this 1 hour gap. 1 hour BC. Okay. How far can this go? If it goes, should be going down to 612-ish area. I wonder if it will. No, not yet. Not yet. Is it gonna go? Or not? Or is there a bounce here? Let's find it out together. Holding. This area is still holding. Let me delete these lines. Oh, of course. Oh, not that line. Oh, it's going down? Let's see. Let me check ES again. Oh yeah, it's going. Okay, the round number is there, the 5900. I wonder if it wants to go for it. I think it wants to. Nice little sell so far to the downside here. I'm watching gold too. ES 5910. Nice. You took it. Congratulations. All right, look at that. The 612. Easy, right? The 612. And this is the mid-level of the 1 hour busy. And after this, we'll see what's gonna happen. Nice little push there. All right, here comes a possible reversal. So far, so good. I don't know if I want to catch a falling knife here. Maybe I'll try. But if this one goes here, the stop here, 668 could be a target. Yeah. It didn't want it. Not yet. It didn't go for it. Still going lower. All right, let's wait this out. The 5-minute doesn't really have anything special here. I'm still looking, if we have a reversal, I'm still looking for this as a target up there. That's the first fair value gap after the market open. If we have a reversal, if not, then obviously, how far can we go? All the way, I guess. At least to reprice the gap to the lows, which is down at 588 area. Seems like it wants to do that. Because it didn't go for the 600 yet, you know. What a sell-off, right? And wow. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. What a drop, gotta say. What a drop. $5.50 would be the next one. There you go. Interesting. 552, sorry. Came down 270 points already. Yeah. No stopping. Next sell side would be 514. 512 actually. Let me check on the mini too. Yeah, 512. Kind of feel like we're going for that. I'm not trusting to go long here. Whoa, there you go. There you go. Next stop should be down there. 512. What the heck is going on? I mean, since the market opened, we went down 200 points, which is not bad. Absolutely not bad. I feel like this one still wants to go. Crazy. Absolute crazy. I'm not, you know, too short. I mean, sorry, too low to go short and too low to go long here. If I enter a short here, it can just bounce right back into the 1 hour BC. Man, it's melting like ice cream. $5.12 incoming. What can I say? Jesus, I don't know what the hell is going on, but it's interesting for sure. Yeah, there should be some bounce here, some profit taking, so it could go back to the 550s easily. Super, super easy. I would not trust it. Gold is moving higher. My oh my. Just a second. I'll be right back. Forgot to open the door. All right, what's going on here? So we still have the 512 down there. Don't know if this one wants to go. But that is all. What a drop. What a drop. All right, I'll be right back. I have to check something. I'm back. Let's see. So the 512 has been taken, and after this, I would really love to see some sort of a reversal. Finally, some kind of a reversal. What are you guys thinking? Are we dropping lower? Previous day low? Could we do that? Oh my god, it seems like it's doing that. We're going down. I can't believe this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, but I think it's doing it. It wants to go. It wants to go. It kind of makes sense. Or sense, sorry. Look at this drop. Jesus. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm actually almost scared to jump in. There is one more gap on the 5. It's 463. Right here. It's right there. But we'll see. That's the only fair value gap that's left down there. On the 5. And I wonder if it wants to take it. Could be a potential draw on liquidity, but I'm not sure. Hey Tamás, good morning. Nice trade. Let's go. Crazy D is done for the day. Still on the same cell. Let's go. Well, if it prints money for you, that's all that matters. You know, I always say that. Are we going back to the 52s here, or was this a sweep? I'm gonna put a line to 63. Try to figure this out, and I'm gonna put a line to somewhere to the 52s. Yeah. Just to see if it wants to reprice a little bit higher on the 5-minute candle there. There's a gap at 52. Not sure if it really wants it. Now just took liquidity from that small 5-minute gap there. Let's wait for it. This area is at 52.50. So I'd say 52. Oh, just a second. I'm focusing on a possible scalp here. I'll be right back with you guys. But I just don't know if it wants to go higher, or is it gonna go down finally and take the 462 area. So I'm waiting for the move. I'm watching the chart on my left. Is it want to go up or down, or, you know, what's the plan here? Because if this is not holding here, then I feel like the 463 should be incoming. We have the new candle in a minute. I'm just really curious if it wants to finish the move or not. To see what it wants to do. Still watching. I'm not reading the chat right now, but if it's not doing anything, I'm just gonna leave it. I don't want to watch this for too long. It's a little bit painful right now to decide. Nothing. Nothing. It's still going higher. Still going higher. Let's just wait a little bit. Oh, I see the Discord. Nice. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Yeah, 3 8. I was looking for that too, that previous day low, actually. Yeah. So I'll be still watching that for a possible continuation lower. So we'll see. Let's see, what do we have here? Back into this 5-minute gap, so I wonder how it's gonna react. Looking for a 1-minute reaction. It's looking good so far. It might have a possible reversal to the downside. Let's see. Nice area here. Yeah, sure. Here it is. Here's the trade. You guys see it? Just a second. Let me switch. So he entered right at the top, up there, right there, holding all the way down. That's the level. So we should be going 543. What was that level again? On the 5-minute. 463. Are we going there? Just wondering. 463. Can it go there? That would be great if it would go there. $9.30. $9.30. Oh yeah, so the 930 gap, the first one was at that was actually higher. $700. All right, we'll see. Hey Slade, does he really catch trades like that every day? I don't know, I guess. At least that's what they're saying. No, they do. They have a small group there. Can you leave 2,000 or 2,100 after withdrawal? 2,100. Sorry, 2,100. No. Yes, 2,100. 100% Slade. 2,100. You can leave 2,100. 100 million%. No problem. Requesting on 10 accounts. Awesome, man. I think you're doing great, Slade. I think what you're doing is awesome. I saw your post and it's just awesome. Congratulations. Really nice trades. I mean, really nice job on the accounts, as I wanted to say. I don't know how you do it, by the way. Well, I mean, I didn't see the trades myself, but as you can see, there are other trader who is holding the same trade with Tamás. But I usually get the chart, and I'm happy to show it. And basically that's it. Can I take it off now? Let me know. Let's see. Is it gonna go higher? Let me know if I can take this chart off. Oh, okay. You're welcome. I feel like it's not. I'm not sure if it wants to go back down. It might want to go back up to the 700s now. What do you guys think? Kind of looked like it wants to push way up there. There is a level on the 1 minute here, quite interesting level, right above the 1 hour gap at 645. I'm just not sure that if that's the target or not. But it kind of feels like it might want to go in that direction. Feels like a bit of a swing high, but not really sure. You lose too much here. Oh yeah, the macro is coming in a few minutes, so we could see a possible bump or maybe a dump. I feel like now the drawn liquidity has changed into 645. So this one pushed lower. It feels like an order block thingy right here. And that's why I think we could go there. John, party time. 10 accounts active. Let's go, John. Let's go. Nice job. I know you could do it. Look at that. It's going. All right, we have a macro. Could see a possible pullback down. I mean, sorry, yeah, pullback. There is some fair value gap down at 593. We're in for a long. Well, anything can happen here. That's for sure. This one almost like a very shorter block, but it really isn't to the left. But I'm watching that level. And also looking for a possible reversal if it wants to waterfall down. But so far there's nothing that I like. Isn't it Vinny? Okay. Feláldozok egy fundedet. Hey, Trades by Brandon, welcome. What's up? Good to see you. How was your day so far? Welcome to the channel. I'm watching the 1 minute chart, looking for a possible scalp to decide if this one wants to spike higher once more, or maybe it's gonna turn around for a waterfall. I just can't decide because it's accumulating a little bit right now, as far as I can tell on the 1 minute. Obviously, we still have a few more minutes from the macro, so yeah, just the usual. But I think I'm not going to force it. For a minute there, I was thinking to maybe go in with a scalp with 1 or 2 mini, but I don't want to force it. So, you're sick? Cold season. Oh, sorry to hear that. Drink a lot of tea. That's what you need to do. Or maybe some spirits, you know. John still have to do the rest of the Apex 1050Ks. And then I got 9 150K accounts. Awesome. By the way, I just passed a evaluation with Apex. So I have a new funded account, and I passed a Bulenox account too. Right here. I just made a brand new Bulenox account, but obviously I have to push it for 4 more days. But today I was mainly focusing on some evaluation accounts. I have this evaluation account from MyFundedFutures. This is one evaluation, and there's another one here. So trying to build it up. And now I have to focus on the Take Profit Trader accounts as well. There's a lot to do. A lot to do. And I still don't have or did not have any possible entry. Not on the 5 minute, at least. Well, I guess I might had one up there. And I missed it. Awesome. There was a possible short trade here for me. I didn't take it. Anyway, still waiting. Okay, here comes the push. To 45. A little bit tempted to take it, to be honest. But I'm not gonna. I am just not going to. New hourly candle, 11 a.m. candle is coming. I wonder how much liquidity do we have. Higher. Well, there is one at 669. An interesting level if it wants to continue higher. The 930 gap is actually still back there if it wants to go back for it. Just below the 700s. So if it would go back up there, that would be a real deal. This one. I'm gonna call it out officially. I think the draw on liquidity is 700. Let me check this gap on the mini as well. 930. Yeah, the high of this candle. Yeah, 700 is the draw on liquidity. Is what I think. Right there. Egy percet perc 15:30 és 1 óra. 4 óra legyen egy helyen a week. Oh, I see. Oh, so far there's nothing there, nothing there. But you know what's there? Consequent encroachment. No, not really. It's right at the middle. I saw ICT doing this. Right at the middle. I like it. And the first fair value gap after the 930 open. Tomasz is saying the draw on liquidity could be simply found if I just look at the wicks on higher time frames to lower time frames. But what I can tell, I remember that ICT was talking about the first fair value gap after the 930 open. Now you cannot use the first, I mean the 930 candle, you cannot use that because it's most likely going to be a fair value gap. I mean in many cases, if it breaks into some direction. But you know, the first gap after the market open, that's what we have to find. So it's going to be after 931. So the first gap was here, 936. The 936 1 minute candle is the first fair value gap that happened. Now, if we look at the big picture, this fair value gap is pretty much in the middle of higher time frames, like 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour time frame fair value gap. This huge drop, it's somewhere in the middle. That could be a very good draw on liquidity to deliver price to. It's also just at a round number of 700, so that is also interesting. I think this accumulation here could continue to deliver price higher. That's why I think it could be a possible draw on liquidity. 380. 380. I have this from previous day low, if that's what you're saying. Ha ezt mondod, 380. 380 itt van. Tamás is saying mark out the 380. I marked it out. Sorry, that was the 1 hour. So 380. If I go to the left, obviously we have some. I have to go a lot back here. I'm not even sure I have data this much on the 1 minute, but Yeah, that's the previous day low. I have it. It's there on every time frame. Look at that. Boom. 1 hour. 15-minute. Boom. Right there. 5-minute. Right there. Boom. Here's the wick as well. I can also check the 4 hour. Well, it's almost there, but you know. Yeah. Yeah, real folks, I really don't want to overcomplicate it. That's why I was just looking at these levels. Like, I don't think I was overcomplicating it. But yeah. I'm also trying to look for a simple way to trade these markets as much as I can. I have to close the window just a second. Well, currently it feels like we could waterfall down again, but we just tapped into this 5-minute gap. It's gonna waterfall. It could. There is one more level down there. The 462 is the nearest one, and then we have previous day low. So it can. It has every chance to do so. Okay, it swept the 5-minute fair value gap here. This candle is gonna close. Like a bearish candle. And I would really like to see this current 5-minute candle to trade higher. I'm deleting that line. Nem engedi Discordon? Lehet, hogy nagy a file. Nem tudom. Nem tudom, lehet, hogy nagy a file. Esetleg a valami felhőbe feltöltöd, nem tudom. Uh-oh. Trading lower. That's not a good sign for the bulls. Okay. So it seems like that's not the draw on liquidity up there. No worries. Looking for the next best thing. Maybe a continuation, who knows? I have WhatsApp, but I don't have it on my desktop. Is there, if there's a desktop application? Oh, there. All right, let's see. Okay. Download. I'm not a robot. Okay, it's downloading, but it's gonna take about 2 minutes because it's a free version, but it's downloading. Nice. All right. Thank you. Köszönöm. Megnézzük. Mindjárt lent van. Don't chase it, everyone. This could be a, it could be a trap. It could be a trap. I feel like this can also drop down to the 5, 6, 5 level. Yeah. But it's almost down. It's about 1 minute and it's going to be down. Almost done. And while we're waiting, I'm waiting for this 5 minute to turn around. Okay, I think it's done. Oh yeah, that's the level, 381. You go to 5-minute time frame. There you go, 5-minute, 15-minute. There it is, 15-minute. 30-minute, it's right there. 1 hour. There you, yeah, right there. 4 hour. What a coincidence, it's right there. Yeah. Yeah, I was also watching, I really wanted to see that 381. As you see it right there, I marked it out. I had 382 because of micros, I guess. And I was hoping for that level. I'm still hoping for that level, but we'll see. Uh-huh. Exactly. Interesting though to see all these levels, all these wicks lining up down to that area. So we might as well just see this to drop down. What about that? Or how about that? Mit szólsz hozzá? Akár még csökkenhet is, le is eshet. Akár meg is csinálhatja még ma. Alright. Oops, sorry. I think I can do it today. Yeah. It's like a magnet. It's definitely like a magnet. Magical magnet. Okay, pushing back up. Interesting to see this 5-minute gap turning into sort of a inversion gap, maybe, who knows, as it came through and it acting as possible resistance. You know, look at how the mid-level of this 5-minute gap is rejecting price. Yeah. Stomach problems because of the... You have to lower your risk then. That's the cure. Just lower your risk. You must lower your risk. Go down to the 544s. It's not dropping yet. But if it's not gonna drop, then I'm gonna continue with the previous scenario that we might see this going higher. $15 minutes helps the stomach. Yeah, I have no money because my money has been spent in buying a useless firm. I will send you my track record in exchange for that. You can give me a funded account. A funded account? I can't give a funded account, man. But, you know, I wish I could. I wish I could. I mean, if you have no money, then I'm not sure if a funded account would help you out in the first place. I wish it would, but I don't think that's gonna be the thing that helps you. Oh yeah, just like Thomas said here, if you have no money, I don't think that the first thing that you should do is buy a funded account or you know, even if I would give you, which I can't, I don't think that's gonna do you any good. Because obviously first you have to, you know, put everything right in your life, money-wise. I know it's super hard. I've been there. I know it's hard. But it's not gonna be trading a funded account. At least not at the first step. That's not gonna be your first step. You have to do something else. You know, do some work or job or whatever, you know, even the smallest job. Just, you know, anyway. Dilzik, hey there. There is a solution for everything, yeah. So when I had absolutely no money and I didn't even have the YouTube as an affiliate program or anything, but I still wanted to trade, guess what I did? I didn't trade. I was trading on a demo account, like literally there was a small period when I was only trading on a demo account every day when I had the time just to practice my entries, and I was taking notes and I was trading on a demo, but next to it I was working at my job. So that's what I could do. Blowing your XFA on Monday like an idiot. Oh, But today, fresh combine. Let's go, Dildy. Congrats. I touched my daily loss limit. Well, Top Step X doesn't have a daily loss, but you know what? I don't think that the daily loss limit is such a bad thing because it obviously protects you from overtrading, right? I mean, at least it gives you a second chance to come back next day, and in many cases, it did help. It helped me before. So I can tell you guys from experience that the daily loss limit actually, when I was on full tilt, it actually gave me a second chance, and some of those second chances turned out okay. So I managed to turn it around. Maybe not the next day, but I still had the chance to do it right. So, you know. I'm trading this Tradeaway web platform with the Tradeify, and I don't know how to set up the chart to see the trade lines properly. How do I do it? How do I set it up? Let me show you guys. Hold on a second. Like this. I don't know how to do it. No, you guys don't see it then. Okay, let me stretch it out. Okay, this way. A little bit this way. All right, so how do I stretch it out? That's the question. I don't even need this window. How do I close it? Okay, it's better. Hey Reza, what's up? Slim Trady, good to see you back. What up, what up? Good to see you guys. I'm doing okay. I'm having this new evaluation account with the Tradeify, but I don't know how to set up the chart. Like, how can I set it up to have? I want to see the line, the price line. How do I edit? Is there an indicator? Indicators. I don't even know. Click in the square in the chart. Okay, which square? Click in square in the chart. Yeah, I click on it. Yeah, but I want to see the currently how price is, you know, going up and down. Left side, upside. Okay, square. That's the data box. That's not it. Template. Chart settings. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Middle price, open price, last trade price. That's what that. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, thank you. And how can I see the I'm almost at take profit. How can I see the take profit level as a line? You know. Oh my gosh, I was almost at take profit there. Show all. But I want to see my take profit level. Let me check it. Ho ho, look at that. And is there a way to connect the orders so when it hits the TP, then, you know. Anyway, it's cool. Thank you. Thank you so much. So if I put like a buy stop, I don't see a line here. I want to see a line. Settings. Settings. No. Price levels. Okay, that's not it. No. 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 I'm gonna get the hang of it. What is that? World Cup Championship. Is that Robin's Cup? Or what? Oh. The World Trading Championship. Okay. Nice. You see ATM, you have to set ATM for both order. Oh, okay. ATM, okay. Man, I have to get used to trader weight. I have to get used to this. It's like, okay, so price levels, no. Current position, okay. Okay, now I have this limit order. I have to delete that. Fill order to show. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So fill order to show. I'm not gonna jump into an order now on this account. It was a nice start, up 474 on this account, so I do like it. I'm gonna configure this one. I have the application too. Click square and then click on fill order and select. Okay, click square, fill orders, and show fills. Show order lines. Okay, now now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Show fills. Good. Az nagyon szép. Hajrá, hajrá. Now put order and you will see. Okay, I'm gonna put a. Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so if there's a buy stop, I'm gonna put a sell stop here. How can I connect them? I guess there's a way, right? That's gonna be. Oh, it's not like this. And for ATM, you have to. Okay, you have to set up. Okay, okay. Anyway, it's already very useful. Thank you so much. Look besides sell as okay, so it's off. Okay, let me. It's off. ATM's on. Do I have to give it a name? Take profit. I'm gonna go with like 20. Save. Jesus, I just bought a market order. Okay, now I see it anyway. No problem. At least I know it. Okay. It immediately put it there. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. That is great. Okay, I think I'm going to leave this account because I made $471 on it. I don't think I'm gonna force this one. This was a good one. All right. Thank you for the help. That is great. Oh yeah, 200. Yeah, because I'm gonna do that next time. I'm gonna do that next. But thank you. That is awesome. I closed the web. It was a web browser. If I log into the application, the prices are different. I guess it's because the data is delayed there. I don't know why. And when you put the order, it shows your stop loss even in order. Thank you. That is great. That is great, Reza. That's awesome. By the way, I know that we talked about it, Reza, but you know, sometime you know, maybe during the next upcoming days or weeks, I would really be curious how you are managing to pull your trades. I know you're always making payouts with, you know, you did that with MyFundedFutures. Now you're doing it with TOMSABO, and I truly respect all those. What you do there is amazing, and you know, sometime I would really like to pick your brain, how you enter your trades, what your criteria. I know you're trading differently. We talked about this. Maybe an interview. I don't know. I'm just really curious always of how you guys are doing it. And Reza is really good. Awesome. So. What's the only fair value gap? Inversion fair value gap, 5-minute time frame now. No problem. Talk about it once. I'll be back. Yeah, sure. That's what I'm saying. It can be next month too. Don't worry. Or it can be next year. I just would, you know, that's it. Absolutely. It would be my honor if you would have me. I would be honored if you would have me, and we could talk about those entries that you take. Wow, look at this push here. Interesting. But yeah, as you say it, you know, fair value gaps, inversion gaps, and all that such. So for example, I'm just going to give you an example. I was looking at this 5-minute gap too. So we have a 5-minute gap here, turns into an inversion gap. Hey, listen, that's all that matters, Reza. That is all that matters. But I was, for example, let me zoom this out. And so I was looking at this gap, the 1045. Yeah. So look at this. And now, and this candle, the 1110 candle, closed lower and kind of turned it into an inversion gap. Am I correct? I think I'm correct until this point. And as you can see, there is rejection from the mid-level of this inversion fair value gap here. Now, after a reaction like this, I would be tempted to jump into a short, even though it's not a big deal. But look at this, how much it dropped. It dropped like 40 points in the New York session. That is good. The problem is where to put the stop loss, and how to determine the risk here, or what to look for. Yeah, sure, Reza. I don't know if you're on our Discord or my email, but whatever suits you. And you don't have to do it now if you're busy and everything. I'm just thinking outside the box. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, as I told you in the London session. I'm a little bit how should I put this? I lost some ground on my funded accounts because I was in profits in some of my funded accounts, and I was really hoping to build it up for some December payouts. And in the past couple of days and weeks, I pretty much chopped myself up on my funded accounts, and I'm back to square one. And my confidence is a little bit low right now. Obviously, I'm not strategy hopping or anything. I'm just trying to understand better. I don't want to overcomplicate things. I'm looking for simple things here. And I'm obviously the problem is that emotions, but I was losing ground in the past couple of days and weeks. In the past 2 weeks, most likely. I blown a few funded accounts again. I'm losing profits that I was working for weeks, and I can already see that it's going to be a little bit harder to get some payouts in December because I'm back to zero, right? I do have funded accounts, but you know, yeah, trading should be simple. Watch the 24 mentorship at Tomasz Spain, the SMT. That's all you need to make money. I believe you, Venom, because so far I hear very, very good stuff from you guys. So I'm very happy for everyone in your group. And this is just a confession because this is between us. We're a small group here and it's a secret. But I do struggle. I think that's the thing I wanted to say. I'm struggling a little bit here. So I'm struggling. Obviously, there's always ups and downs in trading, but right now, I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. I'm a little bit struggling. And anyway. I'm also seeing that, you know, I like to trade with micros, and it's so bad when I build up some kind of profit, $1,000, $2,000, whatever, on a funded account, and I'm getting closer to a payout. And with micros, it takes weeks, which is okay. I did that multiple times. But those days when I lose my mind just come in, I get confused, and I can wipe out most of my profits or even blow the account. And anyway, I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to make a video about it, maybe. So I know you guys are very successful with the SMTs. Trust me, I tried my part on SMT. I'm not giving up on the SMT concept because not just you guys, but others are using it too. And I'm still like a little bit, I don't know, frustrated. I don't know how to determine the exact SMT level. You know, Lizzle is okay. Lizzle is same. Blowing up my accounts many times. Anxiety is real in trading. Yeah, it is. And I always go back to my notes. I go back to reading my books, what I was reading, and I try to remind myself that, you know, it can be done, obviously, but still. Sometimes I find myself in a struggle. On your own, SMT more times follow than reverse. Oh, I see. Drink coffee or orange juice, guys. Yeah, that's what we should do. That is, gold is going up. Look at that. There's no stopping on gold, right? Anyway, finally we took out that 646. And for example, just an example for you guys, and really, I'm not gonna bore you with this, but this level, let me show you. Really important. Look at this. This 646. I was eyeballing this level. I knew that it's important. I saw the level. I mean, this has to take it out, and almost went there, went down. And when it starts to go back up there, I start to get the feeling when it was struggling down there and it made this push, I was feeling like my gut feeling were telling me it has to go back up there. And look at that. It just went back. And when this happens, the FOMO kicks in. I'm starting to second guess myself. And by the way, I'm going to call it out officially. We're going for 700 here. That's it. This is going to go for 700s. No other way around this. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is that, you know, these are my issues in trading. These are my issues in trading. SMT were game changing. Divergence with ES. ES, meet your target, push up. Let's go. Do you have SMT YouTube that you're... no, not really. Not really. Oh, you're asking Tomasz, sorry. I wonder if it's gonna go back to that 930. You know, this is the 930 fair value gap. If it's really gonna go there or not. Send me an email, let me check. Oh, just a sec, I have another email. Sorry, I was just checking another email. Let me see it. Let me put it out to the screen. Okay, so here's the chart from Reza. Just a second, Tamash. I'm gonna check it. Venom forwarded. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna show that in just a minute. I want to check here with Reza's chart here. Okay, so this bearish inversion fair value not valid because no fair value no, and sell direction. Okay. I see. When I see a 5-minute inversion gap and the same direction, okay, I want to see the move should have fair value gap, and I enter for 1 to 1 and 1 to 2. I see. Okay. All right. Makes sense, by the way. Makes sense. Thank you, Reza. Thank you for this chart. I see now. I get it. I'm gonna save this. Yeah, you want to see it in the direction. Okay, thank you. Oh wow, I just passed to MyFundedFutures evaluation account. I was in a long trade in hindsight. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Here's one. I just passed it. Look at that. 2 new funded accounts. MyFundedFutures. Let's go. All right. Super happy. So this one, and I have another one, which is also passed. Look at that. Boom. Thank you. Thank you. It was harder to achieve this because I'm always trying to be much more careful. But you know what, guys? The reason I didn't really want to talk about this, because I was truly believing that the 930 fair value gap, as you see it right now, it should be completely filled, as you see it right now. There you go. The 930 fair value gap. That was my draw on liquidity. Wow, I can't believe I passed to MyFundedFutures account just like that. I was actually down to my daily loss limit on these accounts on the other day. So I was down. I was up like 51,000, and then I full tilted because I go crazy on evaluations, and I went down to the daily loss limit because it's a starter account, and I managed to bring it back from oblivion, so I'm super happy. Interesting. So really, this first fair value gap does have its magic. ICT was talking about this year in the 2024 mentorship about the power of the 930 fair value gap. This is not 930, this is 936, but this is the first fair value gap after the open. So he was talking about this multiple times because he was teaching this to his son too. So even if they see a sell-off or a push, if price tends to turn around, then this is an excellent target, the 930 fair value gap in this case. But reminded me, not me, reminded everybody, not me, that you cannot use the 930, the opening candle. You cannot use that. So you have to look for the first available, the first presented one on the 1 minute in this example, which is 936. That would be the so-called 930 fair value gap. First presentation. There you go. There you go. Yeah. So I couldn't be happier, guys. I'm actually super happy because I really want to go with MyFundedFutures and take ProfiTrade full port. Not full port, but maybe if Tamás, can help me out. Ha segítesz nekem. Most van 2 új funded számla. So I really no full port. No, I'm not full port. And by the way, the starter accounts I cannot go. These are 50Ks. I can't go with with 15. I can go with I think three minis, but that's enough for me. More than enough. 3 mini is more than enough. More than enough. But I'm super happy. I'm very, very, very happy that I could hold this and make it to funded finally. I have to be very careful from now on this accounts. So today I have passed four evaluation accounts, 1 Apex, 1 Bulenox, and 2 MyFundedFutures. So 4 more funded accounts, which is all good, but it doesn't really matter if I can't pass to phase 2. Yeah. So it's good, but the goal is to make it to the payout level. That would be the real goal. Whoa, what happened? Reza, oh my god, a $50 giveaway for celebration. Reza, you shouldn't have done that. Oh my god. Okay, so here it comes.
You here is a $50 giveaway, smiley face.
Oh, I forgot to turn on the volume. Okay, thank you so much. And an applause for Reza. Thank you, my man. In the name of the community, what can I say? Let me go into Streamlabs. Man, you're too kind. You're really too kind. So the winner is gonna be picked on the Anyway, I'm gonna send the money on PayPal. Okay, it's not started yet. Okay, now it's started. Exclamation mark cash. Thank you so much again in the name. Oh, let me check. Sorry, let me check the Discord. Jesus, holy Christ! You guys entered down here. What the hell? How did you guys do it? New day opening gap. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Reza again, thank you so much. In the name of the community. All right, so we're going to pick a winner in about, well, there's a fair value gap where that entry is. I mean, I don't know which price level you're saying, MK. There is, by the way, this could be a short entry here on the 1 minute, if that's what you're referring to. A buy? Oh, here, down here. There is one. Oh, yeah, okay. There's a fair value gap down there. Okay, yeah. I mean, there's multiple ones, I guess. And there's a 5 minute too, and 15 minute. Okay, makes sense, right? Down here. Okay, this one. That's what you're referring to. All right. Nice. Very nice. Beautiful, MK. Beautiful. The 10 o'clock too. Same setup. At 10. Let me check it. Let me check it, guys. I see. Nice. 10:20. Yeah. I'm just checking these levels down there. Very nice. Yeah, the pin bar. Well, congratulations. There is a 15-minute fair value gap. You see, Tom, my setup for the buys at 15-minute too. It's very good. The one you sent me, right? Let me check. Yeah, down here. So this is the area that we're talking about down here, right? This one. Yeah. Fair value gap, inversion, boom. And that's it. You just have to pick a nice target, I guess. So all you need, like something like this, inversion, you know, rejecting, pick a nice target level up there and boom, just go with it. That's how simple it is. That's how it's done, right? Anyway. Marcella, I don't think I'm gonna be staying for the PM session, but I'm gonna be hanging around here for a little bit more. We're gonna If you guys have not entered the giveaway yet, I suggest you should do so. Let me check. We have only 15 people entered the giveaway. You guys don't want money? It's money. Money, money, money. From Reza. Come on, guys. Exclamation mark cash. Enter Slim Trady, Big D Johnson. Come on, let's go. We're gonna pick the winner in about 5 or 10 minutes, all right? I hope you guys have PayPal. What a beautiful so this is by the way the thing that I need to understand, that I guess it's true for everybody. You don't you don't need. So if you pick a nice the name of the game is draw on liquidity, you know. Where is the draw on liquidity? That's the name of the game. How you enter a trade, you know, that is different for everybody. So everybody has their own system, entry model, you know, price action pattern that you're looking for, I guess. And yeah. Give them to Tomasz and to hand. No PayPal, no fees. And we'll have a nice smile as bonus. Oh, well, I can do that, actually. All right, how are we doing? 19 people only. 19 people entered the giveaway. Exclamation mark cash to enter. So basically, it did not respect the fair value gap and inversed. Naomi, good to see you. I'm sorry if I didn't see your post before. IFAG. Yeah, so I see that a lot of traders are using the inversion gaps, which is cool. Yeah, Tomasz wants a bonus. I think I need to give this money to... Giveaway back. I don't really want to do crypto. First of all, I don't have really much access to crypto. I haven't updated my... Whoa! Walter Bengochia. I'm sorry if I butchered it. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Put all on red. We'll send you a nice pic of Tom smiling. All right. Oh. All right. Anyway, how we're doing? We have 23 people. The odds are very good, guys. The odds are super good. Check email. Same setup. Let me check it. Where is my email? Come on. Oh, you just sent. Okay. Let me put it here so everybody can see it. Okay, so Reza, thank you. Let's see it. So 15-minute bearish fair value gap inverted. So it's now inversion gap. Yeah, turned into an inversion gap. And then look here. Okay, 15-minute fair value gap and look for entry 1 to 2 risk to reward. Beautiful. The only thing here in this area, let me go back to the chart. When you see this, and this is the 5-minute, let me go to the 15. So when you're down here in this area, when you're seeing this 15-minute gap, in this area, what are we looking for? Are we looking for a rejection? Obviously, we can choose whatever we want. Are we looking for a rejection, or are we zoomed down to the 5-minute looking for something like this, a bullish pin bar, or like this is also like a morning star situation, or breaking structure? So this one is breaking structure on the 5-minute. Not a perfect structure break, but you know, this is the area when you go down to the 1-minute like this. Boom. And you can enter here. Basically, bearish candle 1131, bullish trading higher, boom, entering it. So obviously you have to fine tune it the way you like it, right? Start the raffle. Just a second, Venom. Spin that. Okay. And a nice smile. Okay. Thank you so much, Naomi. And no activation fee. Yeah, that is, yeah, no activation fee on MyFundedFutures. So I'm, wow, super happy. And it was the first month on these accounts. So yeah, that was a very good price for a funded account. You need to reset. What? I need to reset? What? What do I need to reset? I mean, my mind. Okay, my mind always needs a reset. Trust me, guys. My whole everything needs a reset. It's only half again. Fair value gap. Entry no other stop. Okay, so when I just see this, as soon as price showing some kind of rejection in this area or whatever, then just go for it, right? Something like that. Anyway, how are we doing? 23 people. All right, guys and gals, ladies and gents. Let's do this, right? Let's do this. Let's start the giveaway. I'm going to close the entries right now. Okay, entries are closed. And let's count down together. As soon as the music stops, I'm going to pick the winner. Cover your ears, because this is going to be very loud. It's not going to be the same thing. Just cover your ears. Trust me on this. Cover your ears. Here it comes. Lower the speaker. Cover your ears. And the winner of the giveaway is András Schmidt András. Congratulations, fellow Hungarian trader. Hello. Congratulations. Gratulálok, András. GG. I know you guys will like it. I know you guys will like the trumpet. Congratulations. Super happy. We're only giving money to Hungarians. You know how it goes. And thank you so much, Reza, again, for sponsoring this giveaway. This was awesome. András, superb. I'm gonna send you, I'm gonna type my email. Let me log into the chat. Why you never play a lottery, right? Alright. Here's my email, András. Vagy hogy neked magyarul mondom itt az e-mailem. Ha van PayPal-ot, küld el nyugodtan, vagy Revolutot is küldhetsz. Oda is tudom küldeni azonnal. Revolut, PayPal, ez a kettő nagyon gyors. Vagy ha nincs egyik se, akkor számlaszám és átutalom. Forintba is át tudom. Ahogy akarod. All right. Tamás is asking it in franc. Swiss franc. Or British pound. All right. I'm still live because we had an awesome trade, awesome session. Passed 4 evaluation accounts, 2 MyFundedFutures, 1 Apex, 1 Bulenox. So super happy. I didn't make too much profit today, obviously. I haven't really traded on my funded accounts, to be honest. I need to reset my brain. But I passed 2 MyFundedFutures starter accounts. So not long enough. And look at that. Price is just melting. Which new platform? I'm trading with Tradeify too, and obviously ProfiTrade. You know, these are brand new platforms. I haven't really made any video about Tradeify yet, but I might do one. The problem is that my code is not working with Tradeify yet. I sent messages to Brett, the CEO, multiple messages, but they haven't fixed it. So if you would like to buy some Tradeify accounts, the way you can give some credit to the stream is if you use the basic code, which is full right now, and if you click on my link before purchasing, that's the way. If you would like to give some credit to me. But I don't know, somehow my custom code is not working yet. So I mean, it was working because we tested it, but it's not working now. So I don't know why. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I think this is pretty much it. What can I say? So I think, guys, I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna call this session here, and I'll be back tomorrow in London session. Thank you so much for being here, and special thanks to Reza for the donation, for the giveaway. I appreciate it very much. And the guys, it was a good session. I enjoyed it really much. Maybe I'm gonna stay longer tomorrow too. So thanks again. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. Bulenox still has the sale going on. Take Profit Trader, no activation fee if you purchase it now. Apex 1-day pass, ProfiTrade, Tradeify, and of course MyFundedFutures. So thank you so much again. I'll see you guys tomorrow in London. God bless you all, and take care. Trade safe. All right. See you, everybody. Cheers.